Remove the X-up from the bag. Holding the aluminium pole, wind the handle in a clockwise direction. As the legs extend, ensure that the banner is adequately lifted to allow the legs to open. Continue winding until the fabric becomes taut and firm. For added stability, secure the X-up by pegging it down with ground pegs provided. To retract the banner, turn the handle in an anti-clockwise direction and allow the bottom legs to fully retract. Gently pull the legs together. The X-up skin is changeable. Always ensure the banner is completely dry before packing it away in the carry bag provided.